Today we're working on some LVT. It's a very small area, so a new kitchen has been fitted on top of an old floor. So the objective is to try and get that old floor looking as good as possible, so it matches the brand new kitchen that's just been installed. It's not a big area, but it's a very old floor and it is showing signs of wear and tear. There is, difficult to see here, there's some areas here where the table's been and chairs have been moved backwards and forwards for many years, and it's unfortunately it's taken the wear layer from the surface of the tile. So the tiles are damaged, and there's various scratches and dents and gouges and whatnot. There's a lot of dirt on the floor, on the surface of the floor, and it's got into all these areas here, and that's part of the pattern, all those kind of areas like these. Okay, I've taken the kickboards off the kitchen units, so I can get right under there, give it a good vacuum. Last thing we want is dust and dirt flying into our PU sealer once we apply that. And the PU sealer is going to be the sealer used today, because the PU sealer will help to conceal the imperfections on this floor. Okay. Anyway, let's start by giving the floor a good vacuum, and then we're going to give it a really good deep clean. Right, we have cleaned one portion of the floor, just here. You can clearly see how bright that looks now compared to how it looked before. So just a deep clean using the right equipment and the right chemicals can actually achieve a really, really good result. Right, all the cleaning has been completed, and so like always, I always take a bit of video before the first layer of PU goes down, so we can get some kind of comparison, and you can see really how damaged the floor is. Let's see if I can get a little bit closer. There we go. So you can really see the top layer of that tile is completely gone. Okay, and it's there's absolutely no shine to it at all. So the first coat of PU is about to go down. There were some nasty gouges down here, and I've done the best I can with filling them. It's not perfect, but you know, it's really just to take the eye off the damaged tile. And I've masked just around the sensitive areas of those two units there. Obviously with the kickboards down, we can get right underneath. Okay, so there's no need to mask anywhere else. So there you go. Right, okay, let's get that first layer of PU down. Right, we've come to the end of this job now, and I've had to put down 3 layers of PU sealer on this floor, because it was just it was looking very patchy in places, and even though the application was very even, for whatever reason it required 3 coats. Sometimes you can get away with 2, and on really damaged floors, let's say, sometimes they do require another coat. But anyway, down here, if you remember, that was all scratched and it had all gone like a matte finish. And now that's back to almost a factory finish. Okay, and there's ridges, there's lines here and here. There's nothing I can do about that. It's an old floor, and at the end of the day, it hasn't got the greatest subfloor. There seems to be a lot of, it's not a particularly even floor, that's what I'm saying. and there's a line across there, and that's actually the subfloor that's caused that. Years of, there's a line there and there's a line there, but anyway, we're not here to make knackered old floors look brand new again. All we're doing is giving this floor a new lease of life, so it's going to save the customer a lot of money. The cost of tearing this lot up and replacing it goes into thousands. I know it's only a small area, but it's a lot of money, and there's also the impact to the environment as well, because a lot of this goes in landfill. So the next best thing is to renew it. But with renewing anything, there are limitations. But I think that looks really nice compared to how it looked before. So there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching.